मुबारक 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 ये दिन हो मुबारक.
Assalamu alaikum. Sir, can you please advise us what is your position in this jalsa?
I'm in charge of Nazim of pot washing.
MashaAllah. And why you are here today?
We are doing a Bukhari Amal today, just getting prepared for the Jalsa starter. The council visiting tomorrow. So they'll be checking all the work and giving some advice. So that's why we're just getting all stuff ready for all the major events.
Okay. Any Jalsa memory that you want to share with us?
All the memories are good memories. And Alhamdulillah.
Any particular, any?
It's just amazing. I mean, the amount of pots we wash is amazing, and how quickly and easily it's done. That's I mean, just a teamwork.
How many pots you wash per day, especially during 3 days of Jalsa?
Well, I mean, through the Jalsa, we go through about 300 per shift.
Yeah, around 300
per shift.
Massive amount.
About 900
per
day.
Any message that you want to share with the guests coming to attend this Jalsa?
Please enjoy the Jalsa. Remember us in their praise.
Okay. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum. Aapka, sir, kya taaruf hai, please?
I'm the Naib Nazim in the pot washing.
MashaAllah. Any message that you want to give to the guests coming?
Just enjoy the Jalsa. It's a good memory. Like every year we enjoy the Jalsa. We do a hard work to accommodate everybody. So just keep us in the prayers that we do our jobs very well.
Jazakallah, Alifa. Jazakallah.
मुबारक 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 मुबारक